Hi, I'm Byce and I'm with Jireh Supplies. Today I'm going to show you a new product on the market. It's the Tauri Temperature Tablet. The Temperature Tablet is a tablet with an infrared camera attached to it and proprietary software that will not only detect temperature of a person, but you can set it up to detect if a face mask is present. So for example, if I walk up to it as if I were walking into a building, a restaurant, a school, or anywhere where temperature checks are required, I walk up to it, stand in front of it, and it immediately gives an alert and says failed, a mask is required for entry. So now if I step away and put on a mask and walk back up to the tablet, now it gives me a pass, it tells me my temperature reading, and it also shows the infrared heat zone. Now within the tablet, you can set it up for your maximum temperature. Typically it's 100.6, but you can set it whatever your local requirements require. And you can tell it whether a face mask is required or not. So if we say no and then exit out, so when I walk up to it, it's just going to tell me that I passed based on the temperature threshold. It reads instantly, so walk up to it, stand in front of it, and it automatically checks my temperature and gives me a pass. So now, one thing that Jireh Supplies has done that's unique, in addition to the tablet, we've put together a complete bundle with the stand that you see here, and we've connected it via wireless HDMI to a secondary 10-inch monitor that receives the signal. So it's an exact mirror of what's going on the tablet. So why would you need that? Well, if you are monitoring someone coming into a building, whether it be an office, whether it be a restaurant or whatever, because of social distancing, you want to have the tablet set in an area where they can be blocked off and where they can walk up to it. Well, with the secondary monitor, that could be at a hostess counter, that could be at a receptionist table, that could be anywhere where somebody is actually monitoring it, so they can see exactly what is going on with the monitor. They can see the temperature readout. They also get the audible alert, so they know if someone did or did not pass with every person that comes in. So in a courtroom, going into court buildings, going into classrooms or a school, going into office meetings, city buildings, anywhere where temperature needs to be checked before entry, this will do it for you. Now, another benefit of using the temperature tablet with the Jireh Supplies bundle is that you no longer have to have someone in close proximity, invading that 6-foot social distance by having to check temperature with a handheld temperature checker. So not only do you it doesn't have to be manned and the labor to man the station, but you also are saving, it's a health concern because you're not going to be closer than the social distance recommended of 6 foot. So with the Tauri Temperature Tablet along with the Jireh Supplies bundle, making it one complete package, it is a complete solution for any business, restaurant, city building, or any application where the people, the general public, is coming to. If you have any questions on the temperature tablet, you can call Jireh Supplies at 1-800-478-2591, and we'll be glad to schedule a demo if you're local to the Atlanta area, or we'd be glad to talk to you over the phone. Once again, that's 1-800-478-2591, and I'm Byce. Thank you.